In the production of condensers, evaporators, and various heat exchangers, the bending accuracy of serpentine tubes directly determines heat exchange efficiency and assembly quality. How can we achieve mass production of these tubes? This is the automatic Serpentine Tube Bending Machine from BOBO Machinery, featuring straight tube feeding and designed specifically for bending aluminum tubes into serpentine shapes. The machine precisely controls different bending directions and angles, bending multiple tubes simultaneously with a collision-free rotation design. The intelligent control system supports Chinese and English interface switching. Bending speed, tube length, and cutting parameters can be set easily, allowing fast learning and stable production cycles. Smooth bending, consistent angles, and stable dimensions are achieved with patented bending tools, effectively controlling springback. The finished serpentine tubes show clean curves, uniform spacing, and neat arrangement, ready for condenser, evaporator, and heat exchanger assembly. Highly automated, programmable, and reliable. That's the automatic Serpentine Tube Bending Machine from BOBO Machinery.